Flatten 2 boxes and place them at the bottom of the pallet so the cargo is not in contact with raw wood. All furniture must be wrapped in blankets. As the cargo will be traveling for a couple of weeks, shrink wrap is not enough, blankets are must. Arrange the cargo in a way that brings them as close to the edges of your pallet as possible, without hanging over. Furniture with legs cannot be put on a pallet regular way because the legs would get damaged. Put furniture on the flat side instead, to avoid damaging the legs. If you have a mattress, bend it in half and use straps and shrink wrap to secure it. Place it in an upright position and set it up on the pallet with shrink wrap again. Mattresses that have springs cannot be folded in half. When deciding how to arrange the cargo on a pallet, remember that heavy items should be placed on the bottom layer. This will help you create a stable base with a lower center of gravity. It also helps you avoid crushing in lighter, less dense goods. If possible, work the smaller boxes into the stack so that the overall composition is a more cubic shape. Use shrink wrap to secure the cargo. Take a picture of the cargo before loading. Tape label to the cargo.